Did you know you can save 1/3 on train tickets with a digital railcard from Trainline? It's basically a digital discount card that sits inside your Trainline app. By cutting the cost of rail travel by 1/3, a railcard could pay itself off after a few journeys, or just one if you're planning a big trip. Because at Trainline, we love trains, and we also love helping you save money travelling on them. There are several railcards out there. It's just about finding the one that suits you best. So we've made a video about each of the options. Click the railcard you'd like to learn more about, or stick with me for a general overview. Right now, all railcards cost just £30 for a year, apart from the disabled person's railcard, which costs just £20. Some railcards can work out even cheaper if you commit to a longer 3-year period, like the 1625, Senior, Family and Friends, Veterans and Disabled Persons railcards. You've probably heard of a railcard. You might have even had one. You know, those little bits of card you'd carry around in your wallet. Thankfully, things have changed. Buy a digital railcard with us and it's stored directly inside your Trainline app, ready for use right away. As it stands, you can only have one version of your railcard, which means it's your choice between either paper or digital. Once you've bought your digital railcard, it's yours for the year. You can't swap it or exchange it for a different type of railcard until the year is up, so do make sure you've checked all the options before you buy. Generally, all railcards can be used to get discount train fares during off-peak times on weekdays, all weekends and public holidays, as well as being valid on pretty much all services across the national rail network in England, Scotland and Wales. Railcards can also get you discounts on some TfL fares in London too. Do check the terms though for each railcard type to see what you get. The network railcard, however, can only be used to get discounts on travel around London and the South East. Okay, so you've chosen the railcard that's likely best for you. Now comes the super easy task of buying it. Click here to get your railcard on the web, or nip over to your phone and open up the Trainline app. Tap buy 1 year for £30, or if you're keen and the deal is available, buy 3 years for £70. Now, enter your details, upload a digital passport-style photo, sign in to your Trainline account on the app, and ta-da! Welcome to the Railcard Club! Remember, you can buy more than one railcard, but you can only ever use one per transaction. When planning your next trip, enter departure and arrival stations as usual. Then, select your new railcard from the drop-down menu, and the saving is applied automatically. Now you can sit back, relax and pull a smug grin frankly, knowing you're going to be buying discounted train tickets for at least a year. So, where to next?